So my dear student, today we are going to see the implementation of linked list. Okay, so please go the theoretical aspect of linked list. Okay, so I am having this NetBeans ID I am using for the implementation of this linked list. Okay, so select here Java application. Next, name the project. So I have written this data structure. Finish. Good. Project name is data structure. Okay, and the class name is also data structure. Good. So we are going to implement that linked list here itself. Okay, so in linked list what we'll have to do, we'll have to make a node. Okay, so node is having two sections. One is what? Node is having two sections. Okay, so a node is having two sections. What? One section, this is a node is having two sections. One section is for data, we know this thing, this is for data, and this is for address. Okay, so we know this thing. In a node we have two sections. Okay, so for that we'll have to create a node. Okay, now see how I am going to create a node. So for that again I need a class. So if you don't want, you can skip that one also. So I can make in here itself also. So for the clarity in the concept, I am making different kind of different class here itself. So I am going to use new class. So name is what? Name is node itself. Good. So I'm trying to make a class node. Good. So node is having two sections. Okay, so let us suppose we want to store data, okay, of integer type, and in Java we have there is no concept of pointer. We have the concept of reference variable. Reference variable means class variable. Okay, so node, this is going to store the address of another node. So we have two sections here, yes or no? So node is a class, we have two sections. Data, we are going to store here the data, and here we want to store that address itself. Okay, now come back to that data structure here itself. Okay, so we have this data structure given here. Good. Now see what I'll have to do. First of all, we'll have to make a head. Okay, why we are making a head? So we want to node head. So it is going to hold the address of head itself. Okay, so we have the concept of head. Good. We'll see how we are going to use this one. Okay, so now what we want again? Now we want to insert. Okay, so I have to make a method. So I have to make a method public void insert. I'm just giving the name of this insert. Good. So this is how we are going to create the things. So I am here. Good. So I have this one. Now I have to make what? Object of node class. So I am going to create this node. So it is going to store. Just I am going to create the. So this is how it is going to. We are going to deal with. So I have made this one, and in this we have two sections. What? So see, this is how we are going to store. See what we are going to store? Data. What we are going to store in node? Data. So we'll have to insert. What we'll have to insert? Data itself. Yes or no? So insert will take data and will creating this node. This data will be stored in this node itself. Okay. So what we'll have to write, node object dot data is going to store what? Data. This data will be stored in this node data itself. Okay. So what about this? Node dot next we will going to store what? Null. So initially we didn't have any kind of address in this next. So if we are having the first node, that is in its next, we are not going to have any kind of address. Okay, so if we will have a single node here, see, if I am having a single node, what will be in the address part of this one? Here we are going to store nothing. Here we can have 2, 3, 4, whatever data you want, you can store here. But initially we have in address part, we are going to store nothing else. Okay, now see. So good. Now see what will happen here. Oh, I didn't want to see this one. Good. Now see, so what will happen? We have given here, so node next equal to null. So now see what will happen if initially we didn't have any kind of data over here. Okay, so head will become null. We have declared here head, so head is a pointer, or initially head is pointing to what? Null. There will be no node is there. So what will happen if head equal to null? So let me write it if see what is happening. If head equal to nulls means initially head is not going to pointing anyone. So what we'll have to do? Head will be going to point to what? Head will be going to point to what? Node itself. The node which we have created right now, it is pointed by this head. Initially head equal to null. Initially we didn't have any kind of element inside that one. That's why we are going to point, if head equal to null, initially we didn't have any kind of element, so this head equal to node. So this head will be going to give a point out this node itself. Okay, good. Now what about else? In else what? It means we have some element inside that one. See. Else what? It means we have some element inside it. So what we are going to do? So if you want to insert any data, try to understand. If you want to insert any data in linked list, what we'll have to do? We'll have to traverse starting from the head itself. So again we'll have to make a node. What? Node. Give it the name of temp. Okay, and what we have? Head. Good. So whenever you want to insert data in linked list, what we will have to start traversing from head itself. So I have made a temp type of variable which is of node type, class type, and head will be, this temp will be going to point this head itself. So we will start traversing from this head itself, okay, to insert a node. So we'll have to locate the place itself. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll have to make a loop while traversing the linked list. So temp dot what? Temp dot next. We have to take temp dot next not equal to null. Not equal to null. Till we'll have to traverse. Till it is not going to give this. Now let's see why I am writing this one. See why I have written this one. See what will happen if initially we didn't have any kind of see, let us assume that we have this two nodes is there. Good. It is having two sections. So initially, if we didn't have any kind of node, so head will be pointed. This is a head pointer. This is what this is. This is head. Okay, this is head. Now let us assume what we have written. If head equal to null, so initially it is null. So initially it is null. Yes or no? So it is not pointing anywhere. So see, head equal to null. So head will be what? Head will be going to point this node, the node which we will have created right now. So this is a node which we have created right now here. Initially, if head is null, head is going to point this itself. Head is going to point this. Okay. So initially, the head will be going to point this node we have created. Okay. Now see, if I want to insert this node here itself. Okay. So I have made this head temp equal to head. So temp is what? Head, this one. Head is pointing what? This one. So what we have written, temp dot next not equal to null till it is going to be traversed. It is going to traverse. So it will not become null. If I want to insert this node, we have this node. So if it is null, it is going to be stop here. If it is null, if you want to insert this one, understand, this will become null here. So we will be here itself. Temp next not equal to null. It means if it is null, it is going to be hold there itself. Yes or no? Good. So now what will we do? So what we'll have to do? We'll have to insert it here. Okay. And what? We'll have to point this here itself. So this will become, while we'll start from traversing from here, it will become null. So we are going to insert this node here itself. If you want to understand, again see, again if I'll have another node which we want to insert here, we start traversing from here. Its next will be null. No, it is having the address of this one. Okay, it is having null. No, yes, it is having null because it is not having the address of, because we want to insert here itself. We want to insert it here itself. Okay, so what we'll have to do? Null, we are going to be get outside of this loop, and what we will have to put address of this node here is. So we are going to put address of this node here itself. See how we are going to get this things. Now what we'll have to do? We'll have to traverse temp dot next equal to not equal to null, and temp equal to what? Temp equal to temp dot next. Good. So temp equal to temp dot next. It is going to be executed till we get the last node where you want to insert. Okay. Now see, while we get the null value, we will get outside of this one, and what we'll have to do? We'll have to at temp dot next. It is having the null value. We know this one. It is having the null value. We know this one. Okay, so we are going to put the node itself there. We are going to put, yes or no? Getting the things? Hope you are understanding. So what we did here, so see the while loop is there. So while loop is next till we get the null value, we will have to traverse the node. Once we get the null value, what we will do? At the value which is null here, because temp dot next not equal to null. If it is null, we are going to get the outside of this loop itself, and here we have temp dot next equal to node. We have given the value of address of that node here itself. Okay, yes or no? So good. Now what we'll have to do? Our program is working fine or not fine. We'll have to check it. So to check it, what we'll have to do? I'm going to make a method to show the things. Okay, so good. Let me check it once. Good. Now see, I want to show the value which was right now I'm going to insert. See what I'm going to do. Again we'll have to traverse. So traversing will start from where? From head itself. Good. Okay. So what will happen? To traverse You know this thing right now. See what is going to happen. To traverse inside a node, what condition we required? What we have required? Node dot next not equal to what? Not equal to null. Good. See what is happening. Good. So now see, this is not equal to set till we will traverse, and what we'll have to do? We'll have to write this. We want to print the print what? Data. I want to print the data of that one. Good. And we'll have to increment the node itself. Okay. So it will be get node dot next. Good. Now what we'll have to do? See if everything goes fine, what will happen? Try to understand. So good. Let me execute it once. So run file. Let's see everything goes fine or not. So we are going to get no data because we didn't insert it, but the code is compiled good. Now see what will going to happen. We are going to insert something. So to insert something, we have to go to the main. We didn't inserted anything right now, that's why you are not going to get anything. Good. The code is compiled well. But now see, the name of class is what? Data structure. So data structure ds equal to new water. So we have this data structure, make it capital. Good. See what is happening here? Data structure. Now what we want? We want to insert. The name of method is what? Insert. ds dot insert. See, insert. It wants what kind of data? It requires integer kind of data. See, we are going to see the generic also. How we are going to apply the generics in this one. So let me add 2 to 3 more data. Okay. See what is happening there. So we have 3. We want to insert this much of data in our linked list. Okay. This is our linked list. I am going to insert 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Now see what is happening there. So see, this is the logic through which we are going to see the data. Let me execute it first. See, we have inserted 4 data. See. So what is happening there? ds dot insert 2, and we are insert data. We have seen that, and show what we will have to do. So the data is get inserted, and we'll have to call to show that here. We'll have to write what? ds dot show. But that's why this one going to show the data. Okay. Now we are going to get the data. See, we have inserted 4 data, and now here we are getting what? 3 data. Why this is happening? Why this is happening? See, because what we have written here, node dot next not equal to null. So while it is going to get the last data, it is having the null address. It is not going to print that one. Yes or no? So for that we'll have to write a logic here. So I'm going to print it here like just on Control C. metadata we are going to put. So see, this is why this is happening, because see, if we have inserted 4 elements. So we have this 2, 3, 4 and 5. So while traversing this one, we are going to get the null value of this 5 itself. So this will be not get printed. That's why it is not going to be. So initially the pointer is here and it is going to get the null value of this one. That's why it is not printing this value. Okay, so that's why I have written this one. Now I'm going to see. Now we are going to get the value. Good. So what we have, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. So how this code is working, try to understand this one. So I'm going to summarize it. So before summarize, we have to, I will give this. So try to understand this one. This is head. This is what we have, this one. Let me make it so that the visualization will be clearer to you. Yes or no? Good. So this is head is there. We have 2 here. It is pointing to this one. We have 3 here. Good. This is pointing to here. So again, what we have? We have 4 here. Good. And this is pointing here itself. So we have this much of it. So this is pointing. So that is 5. And this is having null value. This is having null value. See? So the data which we have seen that one. That is how this link will be going to be get executed. Okay. So remember the diagram itself. Okay, that we have made. Otherwise, pause my video there. Take a screenshot of that one, and now see this code. It is going to work like that one itself. Okay. So initially we have had. Okay, that is a node type. Now try to understand. Now we are going to insert. So we have made the object of node. This is the first node which I have made. Okay. If head initially head equal to null, this is how the first element is going to be inserted. So the head will be going to point that node itself. Yes or no? Good. The head will be going to point this node itself, because initially we have a single node. So this head is going to point that node itself. Again, if we have one node is already there, we are going to insert the second node itself. What will happen? Head will not be null, because it is going to point. It is pointed right now the first node itself. So it is will be not null. So we'll go there itself, else part. Okay. So to insert that one, we'll have to see the place where we are going to insert. Although we have the one element that is of 2 value, okay, that is there itself. So what we are going to do? We are going to choose traverse. So traverse will be started from head itself. Head. Okay. Now see, temp is going to be head. Temp dot next not equal to null. So temp dot next not equal to null. It means it is going to point first off to the first node, and its value is null there. Its next value will be null there, because there will be only one element. So it will be going to be null there. Okay. So if it is null, we are going to outside of this null itself. So temp dot next equal to node. So the second node will be pointed by what? That is temp dot next. That is the first node. Next will be going to be pointed to the second node itself. Second node itself. Okay, good. It is applicable for those many variables. It is going to be get. We are going to traverse like this one. If the node is having null value, we are going to point that node to the new node itself. And that is the meaning of this one. Good. And this is to show. To show again, we'll have to start traversing from head itself. While node not equal, node dot next not equal to null, we are going to see. So see, the logic can be changed. The logic is that if node not equal to null, we are going to print here itself. See, if node, if you want to do this, you can do this one also. So if you want to change it, see, if node is not equal to null, node head, node is not equal to null, node not rational, we are going to traverse this one. Okay, so node value is not become to null, so it is going to print all the values. Run. So logic can be changed. The logic you want, if node is not equal to null, it is going to print the value. If not dot next, you are going to check. So you will have to write manually here itself. So we have seen that one. Okay. So for today it's okay. So in my next video we are going to see the insertion at initial point, the insertion at the middle point, and we are going to make it generic also. So that what is the meaning of generic? So here see, we are only able to store that integer value itself. Yes or no? See here we are only able to store what? Integer value only. So if I want to store string value, if you want to store another kind of object, what we'll have to do? So we'll have to make generic of this one. Generic. So in my next video we'll see how we are going to make it generic, how we are going to insert the element at head side and in middle by taking the index number, and we'll also definitely we are going to see the code in that. Okay, let me show you that how we are going to code in HackerRank. Okay, so this is over. We are in next my video I am going to tell you about the insertion of index or what. So go to the HackerRank. This is a good portal to practice your programming skill. Okay, so we'll have to make an account, and go here in data structure itself. So just go here at linked list. It will going to give you the node. See, insert a node at the tail of a linked list, insert a node at the head of linked list. Okay, so let's try to do this one. Insert a node at the head of a linked list. I didn't tell you this one, but in my next video I'm going to tell you this one itself. So see what they want. So the programming want to know, just go and select it. I have selected Java 7. You can select any language what you want. It's latest one. I have given here the code itself for this one. See if see the code is given. I have written this code. Okay, so this is how you are going to insert the node. So we have this singly linked list is given there, the name of this one. See, we have two portions, data and next is there. So I have made an object of this one and pass the data itself, and in the next of this one the list is already pointing the data itself. The list is having the initial level. So the node which I have inserted, it is going to point this list, and Sn, the node will be pointed by this list itself. Okay, so this will become the first node. So list will be going to point this Sn here, and we are going to return this list itself. Simple. The logic is very simple. Try to get it. We have made this node itself. Okay, so the next of node is going to point what? This list itself, and next of this node is going to point this list. Why? Because list is pointing this L list is having already pointed the data itself. So the next of this node, that will become the first node. It is going to point all the element which is already linked with this L list. Okay, and now this Sn will get pointed by this L list. This will become the first element, and we are going to return this L list. Run the code, get the value. It will process. Okay, everything will be good. So by having this way, we are going to see the things. Okay, so do practice like this one. So when I will tell you about this insertion at the head link, you are going to get this thing itself. Need not to be worried right now. Okay, hope you have enjoyed this code itself. Okay.